Welcome everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan. For today's video, another panty haul, of course, another undies. Okay? I would like to say thank you to all of you for keep supporting my channel. Thank you very much. So, ayan, ang aking, I have two undies here. Of course, pink and black. Okay? Okay ba naman to siya? Flower. Okay, unahin natin to siya, guys. Okay, this is like a pink siya with a lots of flowers, printed flowers. Okay, of course, ang kanyang ano din is ito. Ayan. Sa loob is ganito siya. It is very nice. So, it's pink like my shirt. Ayan, ganyan siya, guys. So, tanggalin natin. This is large. Okay, this is large, guys, and this is very cute one for me. It's like a very cute. Ayan, so ayan yan siya. So ito namang black. I like this black also, guys, kasi tanawa. This is the black one and large also siya. I bought this in Shopee. Ayan, so ganito yung kanyang loob, and then I really like it, guys, kasi wala siyang garter. The garter is not like same ng malalaki katulad ng isa. This one is I like. This is very comfortable to wear. Syempre ganyan, okay? Ito siya. Ang loob niya, guys, of course, is like this. Okay? Comment below which one is better. Ayan, kung pink or black, which one is better, and also comment heart if you like my video. Thank you so much. Ayan, ito ganyan siya, and then sa loob is ganito. I am very excited to wear this na, guys, so let's do. And black or pink, ayan, suot na natin to siya, guys. Maganda siya, guys, very cute. Nandito din siya sa likod. I like it so much. Ayan. Maganda siya talaga. Very sweet one. Ayan. Sweet yung kanyang dating. This one. May garter siya. This is the garter. So, ano din siya. Maganda din siya, guys. I like it. And then, of course, dito sa harap, ganyan siya, guys. Maganda din siya. Oo. Ganito siya, guys. I like it. So, guys, ganito. Maganda siya, guys. I like it so much. Yung kanyang dito linings is very comfy lang talaga siya gumalaw. Ganyan. So, comfy siya. I like it also. So, ganito rin siya sa likod. So, I go for the pink, but also I like black because black is beautiful. So, otan natin yung isa. This is the black one. Black is beautiful. Ayan, napakaganda ng kaniyang fittings, and then I like the color also. Black is beautiful. I like it, guys. Black is beautiful. I like it so much. Ayan, yung kanyang pattern is very sexy also, guys. Ayan. Like, guys. I like it. Sa harap, ganyan siya. Ayan, sa likod is ganyan din po siya. I really like it, guys. I like it. Yung kanyang dito, guys. Diba siya? Maganda siya, guys. Black is beautiful. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching.